Hey Eloc Nation, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. Look here Eloc Nation, just know that it is 83 degrees outdoors and I'm out here for you. Out here to give you a June garden tour. Yes, I should have gotten out here way early this morning, but life be lifin'. So, June garden. Some of us may know what a June garden looks like. A lot of the things that were young and tender aren't so young and tender anymore. Poor Desiree snap peas. She done seen her last days. So we're gonna go ahead and tour this garden. Vinca vine, raspberry plant, strawberries, I grow in containers as well as raised beds. Marigolds, pepper plant. Here's another pepper plant. Coleus, pineapple mint, mojito mint, ever-bearing strawberries, orange mint there, pepper plant, strawberries, I grow in raised garden beds. I grow in whiskey barrels. This is squash. Violas. There's also a tomato plant there. Another tomato plant. Lettuce has seen better days. We just got a ton of rain last night after probably a week or two of extremely high temperatures, high 90s. We got a sweet potato growing. I mainly want it for the leaves. They're trailing up, trellising here. I won't point out every single last thing, but I'll highlight most things. I grow in a small space. Back here I have store-bought white potatoes growing. These are more of those Desiree snap peas that have definitely seen better days. They do not like the sun. Mint back here. Tomatoes. I've got a sweet potato growing in here as well. And I've got some fig cutting Cranberry Crush Hibiscus, doing really well. This is growing right here in the ground. Pepper, broccoli, collard greens, using it as a trap crop so that the pests eat this stuff instead of all my summer goodies. And you'll see that repeated throughout the garden. I also grow in small containers or pots. I grow in grow bags, very durable grow bags. It has a peekaboo pocket. Here I'm growing yellow squash, and there is some squash growing in there. Lunchbox red pepper. More collards as a trap crop, and I'm also collecting the seeds. Got some onion here. Market more cucumbers, and I've got some onion seeds that I recently planted along the perimeter here. Just planted those, so not expecting to see them just yet. And they will run up along the trellising here, the fencing there. Mint, more mint there. My grow station. My Creole tomatoes, germination. Nothing yet on these mints. Eggplant, Swiss chard, hosta, more cucumbers here, some lettuce going to seed, sage. Did I mention white potatoes growing in the grow bags along the fencing here? White Shasta daisies. Beautiful. Lots of mint growing here. I've got some onion in here. These are just getting started. We'll come back and talk about these at another time. Not really much to look at this point, but you'll be able to come back and look later and we'll see what's growing. Marigold, Georgia candy roaster squash, doing well, growing up the fencing here. My garden garbage bowl. I need to collect more wood chips so that I can finish mulching my beds. More collards as trap crops. Not doing much in this bed. My fall raised bed here. Got a couple petunias. Transplanted some of my white Shasta daisy to give some color. Nasturtium. Lettuce. More collards as trap crops. Bush beans and sunflowers. Oh, we're heading over to some shade. Yes. Thai basil, lettuce, Sierra Blanca onions, and a small pepper. Snapdragons, they've seen better days. More collards. open up in the evening. Very pretty flower. Kind of reminds me a little bit of an azalea plant. There's some kale, more 4 o'clocks. Comfrey that has seen better days. It has already flowered and everything. So looks like perhaps it's going to seed. So Russian kale, sage, more Thai basil here, along with mint. Tomato plant here, black beauty eggplant, Shasta daisies along with the thornless blackberries, I've got potatoes growing in here inside these grow bags. Tomato plants in ground. We've got some tomatoes growing. It was extremely hot this past week. High temperatures every day. Tomatoes all along here. All of this is tomato plants. This is an indeterminate variety, so it's going to grow super tall. Rosemary, hosta, more tomato plants here. I believe this is the early girl. Oh, these are 4 o'clocks here. More tomato plants in ground. Sweet 100. Another tomato plant there. More flowers. More things going to seed. There's another pepper plant. And we saw the front of that bed there with the moringa as well as the okra and the collard greens. And so this is my June garden tour on what's growing in my space. Grow bags, raised beds. You can grow in all sorts of things. Thanks for being here. Hope you got some ideas. Maybe you're growing some of the same things. Let me know in the comments what you think. I'll see you all back in July for that July garden tour. You can grow a lot in a small space. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.